Welcome to the second lesson in Session 1 on evaluating algebraic expressions. First, it is important to make sure we are clear in understanding of the academic language we will be using in this lesson. An algebraic expression is a symbol or combination of symbols containing one or more numbers, variables, and arithmetic operations. It is important to note that an expression is not a statement of equality, therefore does not contain an equal sign. Common directions when working with algebraic expressions will be to evaluate or simplify. When evaluating algebraic expressions, as we will in this lesson, we are trying to identify the numeric value of the expression based on the given information. If we do not have all the necessary information to evaluate an expression, then all we can do is simplify the expression, which will be covered in Lesson 1.3. To evaluate an expression, we first replace the variables in the given expression with the assigned values. After we have substituted all of the assigned values in place of the variables, we let order of operations dictate the rest of the work. In the following example, we are given x equal to 4, y equal to 2, and z equal to 5, and asked to evaluate the expression quantity of 5x plus y times the quantity of z minus 4. Our first step is to replace any and all x's with 4, y's with 2, and z's with 5. I often recommend to use parentheses when substituting. I find it will help algebra learners maintain organization within their problem. It is especially helpful when substituting negative numbers. Now that we have correctly substituted the values in place of the variables, order of operations tells me to start working within the parentheses. There are two sets of parentheses to clean up. The first set of parentheses contains a multiplication step and addition step, while the second set simply contains a subtraction step. Proper use of order of operations tells me to multiply 5 times 4. My next step working within the parentheses is to clean up all of the addition and subtraction. The first set of parentheses simplified to 22 and the second set simplified to 1. The last step is to multiply the result. The product of 22 and 1 yields 22. That's all there is to it. Substituting correctly and being consistent in using your order of operations is the key to getting correct answers. To earn credit for completing this lesson, you need to successfully complete the quiz. Good luck!